If you are a data engineer and looking for the change, then this video is for you. Today I am going to discuss about the data engineering interview question which has been asked into the MNC interview. So one of my interviewer have sit into the interview and he have got this question. So the question is we have to calculate the tax category based on salary and experience. So multiple companies used to deduct the TDS, right? And to deduct that TDS, they have to define a slab, like who is in maximum slab, then mid slab, then no slab, or like lowest slab. So like this they will give some condition or certain condition. So basically we are not calculating as per exact slab, just they will give the simulator or they give the data. On the basis of that we have to calculate that. So over here what they have given, we have to find a person who is earning salary more than 20,000 and having more experience than 20 years, then he will be considered as a high taxpayer. If anyone earning less than 20,000 and above than 10,000, then he will, and his experience is between above 5 year and below 20 year, then he will be considered as a mid taxpayer, or he will consider into the mid slab. And if anyone doesn't fit into these two categories, then either they will be into the lower slab or nil slab. So how we will handle this question? So let's see. First of all, we have a employee table, and in that, like, we have a employee ID, first name, salary, department ID, and hire date. We have not experience. So on the basis of this, what we will do, we will calculate experience first and then we will categorize this. So let me calculate the experience and then we will come back after that. So see, we have calculated the experience over here, year of experience. Steven have year of experience 38, 36. Now what we will do, we will take the condition. So we will take it in subqueries, and first we will take select it's working or not. So we can see this person is earning more than 20,000 and having the salary like years of experience is more than 20 years. So he is into the high slab.